Late appraisals in Indian companies, including banks, often stem from a combination of structural, cultural, and operational factors. Here's a breakdown of the main reasons behind it. That why do these banks especially do a late appraisals? Number one, bureaucratic and hierarchical systems. Many Indian companies, especially public sector banks, follow rigid hierarchies. We all know that. Multiple levels of approvals are required, leading to delays in evaluation and final decisions, leading to employee demotivation. Number two, financial year end pressures. आप कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते. Appraisal cycles often align with the financial year, that is April to March. We all know that. In many companies, they follow calendar year. End of year audits, reporting and budget finalizations take precedence, pushing appraisals to a lower priority. हो जाएगा यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, हो जाएगा, अगले महीने हो जाएगा, because it is not impacting their, ultimately उनको पैसा देना है तो वो क्यों जल्दी करें. Third point, lack of real-time performance tracking. Many companies still rely on manual or outdated systems for performance management. Stop this. Instead of continuous feedbacks, reviews are conducted in batches, making the process slow and inefficient. क्या करें भाई? Point number 4, delays in goal setting and KRAs. Now, key result areas, that is KRAs and performance goals, are often finalized late and not clearly defined. This leads to confusion during evaluations, making the entire process longer than necessary. Point number 6, unionization and compliance issues, especially in PSUs. In public sector banks, union involvement and compliance with government norms add more layers to the appraisal process. Often pay revisions and promotions are linked to government decisions or wage board settlements. Actually, you don't know that. Now you know that. Point number 7, resource constraints. HR teams in mid-size or large-size organizations may be overburdened or under-resourced. क्या ये कारण है? Who knows? Appraisal process require coordination across departments, which can get stalled without adequate manpower. Point number 8, cultural attitudes towards timeliness. Indian corporate culture sometimes tolerates delays in non-customer facing activities like appraisals. They keep it as a secondary activity for them. There is often less urgency or accountability around internal timelines. इसीलिए डिले होता है. Otherwise, this should be as important as the other front-end activities, because ultimately people whom appraisal we are doing are the only people or team who actually execute and bring profit to the organization or to the bank, right? So उनका ध्यान तो हमें सबसे पहले रखना चाहिए. Okay, so this sums up my points towards doing a late appraisals. मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ लीडर्स से, मैनेजर से, जो इसको अंजाम देते हैं, वजह कोई भी हो, आप ही वो सोर्स हैं, बिकॉज एम्प्लॉय के लिए उसका मैनेजर ही उसकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, राइट, जो इन अप्रेजल्स को जल्दी करा सकता है. हम क्यों नहीं फॉलो करते हैं वो साइकिल जो और कंपनीज, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज फॉलो करती हैं? भले आप फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं और अप्रेजल कर रहे हैं, तो अगर JFM यानी कि जैन फेब मार्च आपके लिए क्रूशल है, उतना ही क्रूशल आपके लिए एम्प्लॉई अप्रेजल भी है. बिकॉज एम्प्लॉई को पता है कि उसका अप्रेजल जुलाई अगस्त में जाके होगा, इंक्रीमेंट उसको अगस्त में सितंबर में मिलेगा, तो वो JFM में भी उतनी ताकत नहीं लगाएगा. उसको पता है क्या फ़ायदा, अप्रेजल तो वही अगस्त सितंबर में होना है. भले ही आपको एरियर मिलता है, दैट इज़ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट सैलरी अगर आपको 1st को या 31st को नहीं मिलती है, तो जैसे सैलरी ना मिलने पे टाइम पे आपका मोराल डाउन होता है, ऐसे ही आपका अप्रेजल टाइम पे ना होने पे भी मोराल डाउन होता है. अगर आप ये बात समझ रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ ट्राई एंड एक्सपीडाइट दिस crucial, rather very crucial and important process. Okay, I hope you will take my points. The takeaway of this video is always do appraisals on time. Thank you very much. Take care.